Back to the channel. We're in Wellington in Shropshire for the Christmas light switch on, and we're just going to walk into the square and have a look what's occurring. Light turn on is advertised between 10 to 5 and 20 past 5. Oh.
So what we've got today is a very, very special thing just for you today. We have the 12 days of business that's going to happen on this stage. We've got 12 local businesses. We can all give you a wave. Right to the back, give us a wave. Fantastic. We want you to
And we've got a stage.
We want you to shout.
At the front.
We want you to scream.
And the crowds are starting to arrive, so
behind us, and they're all going to come out very, very shortly. So if we can just have the music down a bit, if that's all right. Wherever he is. Fantastic. So I'd now like to introduce John from the Boardroom Gaming Cafe.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, that was rubbish. Let's try it again.
go and grab a drink and scream. Well, we'll grab something to eat and then go for a little stroll round, watch some entertainment, have a look in the shops, and then wait for the Christmas tree light switch on here in Wellington in Shropshire. Well, I'm sat outside the Dun Cow. I think I'm going to grab myself a pint and I can see the Christmas tree just about and watch the lights come on here, because it is now getting packed in the square by the tree, so probably a safe bet. Nice pint and chill and watch the lights come on. Just go and grab myself a drink in the pub.
YouTuber?
Yeah.
Who are you for?
Stu all run around Stu.
Okay, good.
Have a look.
Just the one, is it?
Yeah, it is at the minute, yeah.
£5 minimum on the card.
Oh, right, okay, I've got cash, which is unusual, but I have.
£3.90.
Look at that. Poured to perfection. Thank you very much.
No, I didn't hear you. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0! Hold on a minute. Can someone put 50p in the meter? Right, so the lights didn't work on that one. Right, these four here have still made contact. These four, and getting there, are working really, really well. But obviously, we didn't have anything from you lot out there. So So you didn't complete the circuit. So we want a big countdown from 5. We want a big cheer as this magic button is pressed. Are you going to do that for me? Are you sure? Have we got everybody here in Wellington at the moment? Is there anybody missing? Are you sure? Okay, here we go. We'll do this one last time and let's hope that these lights are magically turned on by all the Christmas spirit that's out there. So big cheers. And when those lights go on, I want you to shout at the top of your voices, Merry Christmas. Can you all do that for me? Are you sure? Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2.
Well, that's it, official. Christmas starts here in Wellington. Right now, the Christmas tree or the Christmas light switch on's out, and we're going to try and get in the festive into the music in the market. But there's a bit of a queue. Let's have a look. We've got to make sure we make it, because if it gets full we have to wait until somebody leaves, so hopefully we can get in by the first try. We'll see. We're getting closer though. People starting to get merry already. Can hear them at the back. A few sherbets. Okay, just one couple in front of us now. Hopefully we're in next. Searching bags. They will search that. Hiya. Hiya. 3 of us. Just that and that. If you find any money in there, let me know, alright? Yeah. Okay. They come in. Yeah, I'm here with my family, but they tend not to like to come on the camera, so. You can smell the food cooking. You can smell food cooking. Smell it. Hey up. No. There's Santa waiting for us to come in, look. Well, just got a table in the Red Brick. We'll have a couple of drinks and listen to the music. Just have a look round. Oh, we're going to get a drink at the bar. Stage is setting up. Hiya. Have a look. What you got? Can I have a pint of Camden, please? The IPA. Yeah. great band to start here at the Wellington Market.
Alright, hello everybody, how are we doing? Are we well? Oh, Jesus Christ, alright, that's bright, isn't it? Thank you all for coming out tonight. It's quite warm tonight, not to talk about the weather too much, but it's a bit warmer, which is nice, isn't it? Very nice. So let's get even warmer, have some bowls, have a dance. We all come good to go. We're going to play you some tunes. This one is called Science of Delivery.
What I'll do now is just go inside and have a look, see what's happening inside, where they've got the eateries, and I think they have music in there as well. So let's go and have a look.
She's out here.
When are you going to do it? Do it inside.
Go on, there we go. Are you a local, are you?
Yeah, I live in Wellington.
Yeah.
Are you from Wellington?
Just outside Wellington, about a mile or so,
Whereabouts?
towards the hospital.
Oh, I know.
Yeah.
Shawbirch Way.
That's right, yeah.
I know it.
It's a good event they put on, isn't it? Every month.
They do this every end of the month. It's brilliant.
Oh, is it the end of the month? I thought it was the beginning of the month.
No, the end.
Oh, right, okay. You come to them all, do you?
Oh, I come to every single one. Because they play some good music.
Yeah.
But they'll be playing 8 o'clock out there again. They're going to sing Alison Moyet.
Oh, right, yeah.
That record you just heard her singing,
Yeah.
going to be singing some more of hers
Oh, brilliant.
in a minute.
Brilliant. That's fantastic. And you got him playing some beats in here, eh?
He's from Shrewsbury, he is.
He's from Shrewsbury?
Yeah.
Oh, right, that's not too
That
far away.
group out there's from Shrewsbury as well.
Ah, right, okay. Well, that's it. That's been another great evening at Wellington Market. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and ding the bell. People waiting to come in.
He's already got a stamp, so I don't know.
Well, thanks for tuning in again. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and ding the bell.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring.